So here around Salala we have a special thing called Tarif. So that means just fall, but in the fall time here all gets green because of the rain, and then the camels start to migrate and they make the trails here. So they're the trail builders around here. After 2 months all get dusty again, it's desert again, but it's really nice to ride then. The town of Salala surprised me because it has really nice beach, a big beach, and then it has an old souk, and yeah, that's a really nice atmosphere. You can buy some local stuff, and then there are new hotels, and it's a pretty spread out city. I expected like desert, only sand, but then I found mountains here, and it's really nice there. Well, like at home, but without snow. Mountains, in the mountains, or?
Salala.
Yeah. Yeah, now I'm ready to ride with the local helmet here. You see a lot of camels walking, and just follow those guys and you will find nice trails. On the trails here we see a good variation of inclination, so the camels like to walk sometimes steep, sometimes they go flat. Yeah, it's you never know what you get around the next corner, so you have to be really aware to look forward and be awake. Here in Oman you just follow the camels because those are the trail builders.